हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज ओनम गुप्ता एंड यू आर वाचिंग ITV ब्लिंक। वेल, आज मेरे साथ है एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और चार्मिंग आर्टिस्ट जिनकी लेटेस्ट फिल्म बारामूला में उनके काम ने लिटरली सबका दिल जीत लिया। प्लीज वेलकम द अमेजिंग अरिस्ता मेहता। हाय अरिस्ता, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, first of all, congratulations. Baramulla has become such a global hit, and how is the feeling like? Like, कैसा लग रहा है to be a part of such a successful project yet again?
I'm definitely super grateful for it because it's such a big thing at the beginning of my career. So it's like a very big thing, and I know this project will push me बहुत ज़्यादा आगे, and I will be getting a lot of offers after this. So I'm super grateful for it. I'm saying because it's on Netflix, it's also global. So like people around the world are liking it, and I've gotten like message on Instagram and everything. So I'm definitely surprised. सारा प्यार मिल रहा है, but also I'm very happy.
एंड एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट इतना इंटेंस कैरेक्टर प्ले करना डेफिनेटली चैलेंजिंग तो होगा ही। इतने सेंसिटिव और डार्क प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा बनकर आपके लिए सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट क्या था?
Think just portraying my character in a way where people actually connect with her and feel for her. Because Noori has gone through a lot of things like growing up, the PTSD of what happened in her old school, या
या
उनके पापा का job. So I wanted to make sure कि at no point people feel connect with her, even though लोगों को same problem नहीं है. I just wanted, and even that Aditya Sabi just wanted that people should feel for Noori and they should empathize for her.
एंड और जब आपको ये स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर हुआ तब दिमाग में क्या था कि यार मुझे प्रोजेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट को जरूर हाँ बोलना, आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू लेट इट गो?
Because not only was the character very good, हाँ नूरी का character बहुत अच्छा था. It was like really something that was challenging and difficult for me. वो definitely as an actor was good, but also the script only, the entire script, the climax was so good. Even on
या
paper, like, I just couldn't say no. Even when I read it and Mama read it, I knew that going into the audition, I had to crack it and had to make it. It was, I knew कि this is going to be something big, and I wanted to be a part of it.
दैट्स लवली। ऑल्सो जब
Yeah.
आप इतने इंटेंस रोल प्ले का पार्ट, लाइक व्हेन यू प्ले सच एन इंटेंस रोल, क्या उसका कोई इम्पैक्ट आप पर पड़ा? इफ यस तो आपने कैसे रिकवर किया उस फेज से?
No, I don't think so. कभी भी पढ़ा है, even though I have done ऐसा intense roles in the past also, like Safina, like in Night Manager was also pretty intense. But I always kept my work and normal life very different. So what happens on set stays on set and never bring it home with me. तो मुझे कभी ऐसे bother नहीं हुआ है.
दैट्स नाइस। एंड उस चीज का कभी इम्पैक्ट नहीं रहा आपको
No,
अबाउट
never.
एनी? ऑल्सो जब कश्मीर की बात आती है उससे रिलेटेड इश्यूज पर काफी फिल्म्स बनी हैं, काफी सीरीज बनी हैं, तो इस बार जिस टॉपिक पर ये फिल्म बनी है आपको क्यों लगा कि इस इशू को एड्रेस करना इम्पोर्टेंट था? लाइक मेकर्स।
Because this topic, no, there's a lot of chapters in it. This whole Kashmir topic, there are a lot of chapters in it, and बहुत बाकी chapters explore हो चुके थे already. बहुत सारे narratives already हो गए थे, ये वाला नहीं हुआ था, and especially इस way में नहीं हुआ था. Because this movie doesn't start off as a very, starting में ही नहीं बताते हैं, वो बहुत end में आता है, where climax में खुलता है. So no one will watch it just for that. They will watch it for the, how it's going is going, and then it unfolds. So I think that's where this movie is different, and that's why it's also important because it's a different narrative than what's already been shown. Of course, the movies and the series I they're all very great. I have seen most of them and I've really loved them. But this one was different, definitely a different narrative on the whole topic. So that's why.
ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू नो योर एक्सपीरियंस while shooting in कश्मीर, मतलब स्पेशली आफ्टर द पहलगाम अटैक, मतलब वो कुछ सेंस ऑफ अनसेफ्टी यू फेल्ट?
First of all, this was shot before the Pahalgam attack. तो वो तो नहीं था any sense of unsafety. But even while shooting it, uh, कभी unsafe feel नहीं हुआ because the people of Kashmir are very warm. Like I'm telling you, everyone's very welcoming. Even जो हम घर में shoot कर रहे थे, was an actual घर. तो उसके आसपास neighborhood था. And everyone was very lovely with it. They were very interested in the whole thing कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. So at any point, I didn't feel unsafe because I, especially in that 1 month, explored Kashmir a lot. I went to every cafe, every like sightseeing, Dal Lake, सब जगह गई. At no point did I feel like unsafe or anything.
ऑल्सो ऐसे जो बेसिकली ये लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा कि कश्मीर जाओगे तो यूल फेस दिस साइड काइंड ऑफ अनसेफ्टी, अटैक्स होते हैं वैसा, लोगों के डर में, दिल में कोई डर बैठा हुआ है. आई जस्ट
हम्म.
आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर कश्मीर, बट मेरे अंदर भी वो डर है. सो यू जस्ट से लाइक बिकॉज यू स्पेंड लाइक अ मंथ देयर, तो यू आर सेइंग इट्स
Yeah.
कम्प्लीटली सेफ, राइट?
Bilkul, I'll tell you, even you'll feel more safe because a lot of people from the army are standing on the road, and that gives you a sense of security, like these people are there. तो मुझे तो स्पेशली कभी नहीं लगा. एंड इवन मॉम वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद मी. वी आर माय younger brother like Rohan who was playing Ayan. He was also there, his mother. At no point unsafe लगा. At no point we were felt like we were unwelcomed in the city. बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं. Very pretty, like I don't think so उस तरह सुंदर जगह मैंने कभी देखी है. Very pretty, and you definitely should explore Kashmir.
कश्मीर इज इंडीड वेरी प्रिटी.
Yeah.
um, and when you are also when you are in this industry, so ये like from a very young age वो क्या disadvantages और advantages होते हैं दोनों के, when you are from like.
You definitely miss out on a lot of things for sure. School field trips हो गई, स्कूल में कोई projects हो गई, you miss out on those for sure. बहुत एक वो था ना, फोमो. फोमो बहुत होता है बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई हैव नॉट अटेंडेड उसके पिछले 3 बर्थडेज बिकॉज आई वाज शूटिंग ऑन ऑल 3 of them. सो देयर यू डू फील अ बिट लाइक अरे यार क्या. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स द एडवांटेज इज दैट from the people my age, I'm much ahead in my career. What they are going to do in the next 5 or maybe 10 years, I'm already doing it right now. So that's definitely an advantage. But वो थोड़ा बुरा तो लगता है बीच में कि I'm missing out on things.
ऑल्सो जब
Yeah.
चीजें आपके अराउंड चेंज होने लगती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलैरिटी, फेम, सो हाउ डू यू कीप योर सेल्फ ग्राउंडेड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम लाइक?
I've never ऐसा put so much thought in it. And honestly, I'll tell you, it always is good or bad because of the people around you. जैसे लोगों के साथ you hang out, you become that.
कंपनी
And
मैटर्स.
for me, my parents have never made it a big thing. I did Baramulla, I did a movie, I did some ads. They never took it like, oh my God, you're like a star now or something. No, you did it. It is work. You did it. Good, congratulations. And that's about it. उसके आगे कभी बात हुई ही नहीं. एंड इवन माई फ्रेंड्स, जो मेरे दोस्त है, लाइक ऑल माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, नन ऑफ देम ट्रीट मी लाइक Arista the actor or anything like that. They're just like, it's Arista. It's like pretty chill. So the people you surround yourself with, घूम फिर के बात उसी पे आती है. So none of them like hype me up in a way कि oh my god तुम तो ये हो. So ऐसा कभी लगा ही नहीं मुझे that I had to ground myself. It always came very naturally to me.
व्हेन यू आर एन आउटसाइडर ना, तो एक नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल लगता है कि टू परस्यू दिस प्रोफेशन. लाइक आपकी भी क्या फैमिली बोलती थी कभी, मतलब नाउ बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, बट एज यू आर ग्रोइंग अप तो कि यार क्यों ही है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है इसमें, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई ही ठीक है, कभी कोई रिलेटिव भी बोलता हो, नॉट जस्ट पेरेंट्स, कभी रिलेटिव्स भी
And
दे कम एंड से.
वो दो दूर दूर के relatives, of course they had to make some of the other comment.
या
वो तो you do anything they do. Even I have cousins who are preparing for NEET and JEE. They even think कि that's too difficult, go for something easier. So people always have a comment to make. वो तो कुछ नहीं है. But the close family, especially grandparents हो गए, both mother side and father side, even my mom dad, they've always been very supportive. और ऐसा नहीं कि होना ही चाहिए like you are, अब तो तुम घुस गई हो, एक्टर ही बनना है. No, if like 5-6 years down the lane I don't want to pursue this, I want to do something else, they'll support me that there also. Because at the end of the day, you should do something you feel
फील.
like doing. ना मैं क्यों करूँ कुछ जिसमें मुझे मजा ही नहीं आ रहा है. Today also I say this, if 10 years down from now I do a lot of work and everything and I still don't feel like मेरे को उसके बाद continue करना, I will definitely be open to changing my career or something like that.
या एंड बिकॉज वी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, सो कभी एज एन आउटसाइडर भी आपको कभी फील हुआ है कि यार स्ट्रगल तो है ज्यादा, फॉर आउटसाइडर्स की भी स्ट्रगल तो है वो, डिड यू फील दैट वे?
I mean, definitely, struggle is there to get your first break. Definitely, the people who are in the industry, what's easier for them is to get the first break. But uske baad, I feel if someone inside the industry and me get the first break together, it all comes down to how good of an actor you are. Because कोई तुम्हें being an insider एक बार ही chance देगा or maybe two. but after that it's your talent what goes the long
It
way.
sustains.
So yeah, so being an insider is not that big of a वो. Definitely you get chances more, एक दो chances मिलेंगे, but उसके बाद if you are a good actor then only you'll sustain in the industry.
Okay. And also, besides being an actor, you're a content creator too. Right. So
Yeah.
personally, being a content creator, kabhi, it has helped you in acting career, like pushed your career in terms of popularity. क्या वो बेनिफिट मिला आपको कंटेंट क्रिएशन
I
का?
feel I feel उल्टा because I was an actor and मैंने बाद में
अच्छा.
content creation शुरू किया, and content creation also was something like very fun for me. I did not look at it for something कि
सीरियसली.
like सब लोग, because I started during that COVID वाला patch, like घर पे है तो सब लोग वही कर रहे थे, तो I was like, might as well do that. So definitely being an actor helped me grow my followers and some everything there. But yeah, nowadays you are seeing many influencers are becoming actors. So while casting, it may be a plus point that I do have a following on social media for sure. But yeah, I think ज़्यादा उल्टा हुआ है. Like I got followers because I was an actor.
सो डज दैट हेल्प यू इन गेटिंग ऑडिशंस? बिकॉज लोग बोलते हैं आजकल का एक वो सिस्टम बन गया है कि लाइनों में नहीं लगते लोग, दे जस्ट जज यू थ्रू योर फॉलोअर्स, इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं एंड ऑल.
I mean, it depends प्रोजेक्ट, अगर किसी की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी दैट दे वांट समवन हु इज फेमस ऑन सोशल मीडिया समथिंग, डेफिनेटली आई विल हैव वो प्लस पॉइंट देयर कि वहां पे
हाँ.
होगा. बट आई think many projects है who just go based on normal auditions, like you go there, they give you a script and you audition. But I also know what you're talking about. There are a lot of casting क्या बोलते agencies who like just see your following and then only give you audition, वरना अगर कम है so they don't. But again varies people to people.
ऑल्सो रिसेंटली फराह खान सेड कि लाइक साना मिर्जा के साथ पॉडकास्ट पे उन्होंने बोला कि डिस्पाइट बीइंग अ सक्सेसफुल फिल्म मेकर एंड अ कोरियोग्राफर, शी फेल्ट कि लाइक शी अर्न मोर थ्रू कंटेंट क्रिएशन. सो व्हाट इज योर
Yeah.
टेक ऑन दैट? कि आजकल आपको भी लगता है कि एक्टर्स और फिल्म मेकर्स भी दे आर जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ सैलरी पीछे रह गए कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स से?
Because content creation and social media no is now rising very quickly. Like everyone who did not get a chance to become an actor is also becoming a social media creator. And I'll tell you, people spend more time on their phone rather than TV and all. पहले उल्टा होता था, TV दिखते थे वहां पे, you see all these ads. Now all these ads are running on your phone, like between
यूट्यूब.
Reels or between YouTube. So of course that comes in the money wala thing a lot. And about earning money more on social media, definitely वो हो रहा है because production houses are going for सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटर्स मोर देन एक्टर्स, बिकॉज लोग ज्यादा सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटर्स को देख रहे हैं कंपेयर टू टीवी. सो इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर दैट दे वुड गो फॉर समथिंग दैट्स मेकिंग देम मोर मनी.
True. Well said.
या
Also, this year we saw you in another mega film, War 2. I mean, और आपने ऋतिक रोशन के साथ वॉर 2 में काम किया है, मानव कौल के साथ बारामूला में. सो मुझे मैं श्योर हूँ कि दोनों के साथ एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके बहुत अलग रहे होंगे, बिकॉज दे बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट एक्टर्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक द प्रोजेक्ट्स दे चूज, द स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस, दे हैव ऑल, दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट, राइट? लाइक आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था दोनों के साथ इंडिविजुअली?
with Manav sir, because it also depends on the kind of movie you are shooting, depends on the director, the script, बहुत things, and even the fact that you were shooting in Kashmir and that was shot in Spain, so totally different. And because with Manav sir ऐसा था कि we were there together from day one to the 31st day, we were shooting together the entire time. Whereas War was shot much in a much shorter period. Uh, but I feel both of them was just very nice to me. Touchwood, like मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगा कि they, of course they're such big stars both of them. At no point did I feel like scared or like I felt unseen. Ritik sir was very sweet because the whole action sequence I was not confident about because मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, and we just did one day of rehearsal. उसमें भी because of the hardness and everything I was very scared. But he was just very warm during the entire process and he was explaining each and everything to me. मुझे थोड़ा लग भी गया था and he was very sweet in that also. So I think both of them are very similar in that they were very helpful, very sweet, and they knew कि उनको दिख रहा था मुझे कि I'm a little underconfident, so they both were pushing to get me. I was saying, yeah, both of them were very nice to me because they knew that तो Baramulla was shot before war.
Yeah.
But because War was like a Yashraj movie and with like NTR sir, Ritik sir, I was definitely very nervous. उसमें तो मैं थी ही थी. So Ritik sir को वो दिख रहा था and he was very sweet about it. He helped me through each and every step from line to line or from one action sequence to the other one. He helped me through the entire process.
That's great. Also, like, were you upset कि जब फिल्म इतनी अच्छी नहीं चली War 2 like box office पे? Were you sad a bit or anything?
Um, I feel it did upset me a little bit because of course इतना time लगा है, इतने सारे लोगों के effort लगे हैं.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but of course then I don't take the failures or successes too much to my heart. It maybe just was not meant to be. Hoga, like people's tastes are changing day by day. Maybe people didn't like it. ठीक है, it's we will try like harder the next time. It's as simple as that.
Okay. Also, because this child, because you're a child artist, so I just want to ask this. I have this question in mind कि आपने सुना होगा कि पहले के child artists जैसे नीतू कपूर मैम हो गई या श्रीदेवी जी हो गई, they used to tell कि हम बहुत ज्यादा काम करते थे, कभी कभी ओवर टाइम की. लेकिन आज की जो जनरेशन है यानी जेनजीज है, क्या इस तरह के ओवर टाइम वर्क कल्चर को आप लोग डू यू एक्सेप्टेड?
Yeah, like setting boundaries is important, but over time, I don't think so. कुछ generation का वो है. I have worked overtime a lot. I remember night manager के time में I was doing 12 hours night manager, and I was doing a serial that time. तो फिर वहाँ से used to travel and do like or 12 hours and night shoot उधर then day उधर. So I feel the hustle is still there. It doesn't go away with generations or something like that. I have had many days where I've worked for like 17 hours a day. और कई बार तो दो दो दिन like 72 hours straight also मैंने बहुत बार काम किया like 3 days straight. But हाँ, sometimes you do need to set a boundary where you feel like you are unnecessarily working. वो भी होता है. Sometimes people take advantage of you. But कई बार होता है कि requirement है like things need to be done. That is a different thing. But sometimes people making you work for no reason just because you are a child
That
is
is
a different thing.
exploitation.
Yeah, that is, so you have to read the situation and then react accordingly.
तो आर यू दैट पर्सन हु सेट दैट बाउंड्रीज, और मतलब कभी खुद भी आपको ऐसा लगता है गिल्ट होता है फील होने में, या नहीं मैं नहीं, आई कांट से नो और समथिंग?
No, no. ऐसा कभी नहीं है. If I know like this can be done tomorrow and therefore no reason doing this today, I will say it. I will make sure like my mother gives them a call or something like that. But I'll put my point across. अगर I feel कि I am being very ऐसा oh my god types and फालतू में throwing a tantrum, then definitely I won't do it because this ad that I did Flipkart, I knew it had to be wrapped up in 3 days, and the third day went a little long, but I knew कि it couldn't go to the fourth day, so I gave them the extra time, which was I don't take anything to that. Of course, I had to. वो 3 दिन में खत्म होनी थी. But something that can go on a fourth and fifth day, you try to wrap it up in 3 days. I will not. I will definitely set the boundary then and be like, my 12 hours are done with you. I'll have to go home now.
That's great. And
Yeah.
not just in acting and 9 to 5 wala culture, maybe, Gen Z's ka ye kafi, they have this thing ki, we are being told to sit this for like long hours, but pehle ki, generation, I think they kind of settled down, but aaj ke, I don't think Gen Z's, they don't, they have their
Yeah.
views, they have their own point, and I think that's what I'm hearing from you. That's great.
Yeah.
So that's all. Thank you so much, Arshita, for joining with us. I think it was a lovely interaction. And
Thank you.
I just want to wish you all the best for your upcoming projects. And yes, I want to know if you could tell us something. What is next in your pipeline? Like, kya hoga?
Uh,
Something a bit.
it's on Netflix. I'll just say it's also for Netflix. Yeah. And it's a series for Netflix.
Okay, so you can't tell much.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll
Yeah.
wait. And we'll surely wait. And that's all. Thank you so much again.
Yes.
And yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
thank you,
Yes.
Arshita. Thank you.